All right, in the last video, I have discussed about the speed. Actually, if you want to crack this criteria, or I would like to say that crossover cognitive aptitude examination, you have to have speed. But this is the problem. How we can increase our speed? Obviously, by practicing it. But did the by doing only practice, we can increase the speed? Obviously not. So what we have to do, we have to look after some kind of short tricks that can help us to crack this specific examination. I'm really sorry for that bad English that I'm speaking, or if I'm not speaking like in a good grammar way. But that's the reality, because I belong to India. In India, our mother tongue is not English, so there can be problem. But by the way, my name is Lokesh Bharadwaj, and I have been growth head for a long time. And right now, I'm looking after a company that is Textbook, that is an edtech company. So I have been a teacher, I have been a product manager, and I have been a growth head. Now I'm working as a growth head for them, and yeah, great news. I have passed this specific cognitive examination, and my percentile is 85 percentile, and it is going to be increased very soon, because it is my first time when I have attempted this crossover examination. So let's go how we can increase the aptitude, how we can like crack this examination. Let's start with the question, the very first question. By the way, this is very new channel, you understand, there are very few subscribers out there. Please, if you are looking this video, please do a subscribe. This is only request that I am asking for your side, right? Okay. Let's start. The very first question, that is very simple, and I think each and everyone can solve this. See, when you look at these kind of questions, if a cycle rides an at average speed of 18 miles per hour, how many miles does she ride in 7 hours, right? You understand, this kind of question is going to be asked there. Okay, it can be like a person is making this kind of number of toys in a day, and how many toys he can create in like for these days, right? This kind of question, there will be there these kind of questions, right? So simply don't read the whole and solve the statement, just go 18 7 126. This is the speed that you need in the examination. You have to save time for the questions that really needs time. You have to save time from those questions that are really very short, that can be done in a very short period of span, to save this time for the questions that really need a time. Okay, I will also show you that which questions really need your time. So simply 8 into 7 126, that is the correct answer. This should be your approach actually when you are going to look after these kind of questions, right? You simply have to multiply. Okay, you don't need to do anything, you just need to multiply. Okay, next question, the very next question. Okay, you understand. See, what is happening here? Plus minus, obviously plus will be there. So yes, plus, option B out there. So this is how you are going to crack this question. Plus minus, obviously plus is going to be there. So plus is there. Okay, this is the correct approach to solve this question. Very easy question. But now the level is being increased. Okay, if you look at the question, you simply have to look after the last one, and you have to understand last two one what is happening. You don't look after the very first, because it is not going to change your approach. See, if you look at there, this has been here and this has been here, right? So there is clear 90-degree angle that is being changed in each and every position. So if is being there, the next one is going to be near downwards, right? And if you see, this is in opposite direction. So when it comes downwards, the last one come downwards, the middle one will go upwards. So you have to find those options in which the last one is downward and the upper one is the middle one is upwards. So if you look at the option number C, the last one is downwards and the middle one is upwards. That's how you are going to solve this question, right? Very simple approach, very simple technique that you have to apply for this question. Okay, now one more question, guys. See, this is again a very difficult question if you look at the very first time, but very simple. What is happening here? This is going beyond, and so these kind of things, but things doesn't go like that, right? For example, if there is dark one, there is a non-dark one, go with the first one, right? If you see that star one is dark one and this rectangle is dark one, star rectangle is dark one, star rectangle is dark one, but oh, star and triangle is dark one is the correct answer. Then very simple approach, right? Very simple approach. it is going to save your time. Okay, it is going to save your time, definitely going to save your time. Okay, the very next question, if you like, look at this question. See, you will try to find the relation like this. Go for a very simple approach first. Look at 2 2 2 2 2 2 3 2 1 2 2 2 2 2 2. But the option number 3 is the correct answer, because it have 3 triangles, that is darker one, other have 2 items that are darker ones. And if you look at there are 2 2's pair, right? But in the question number C, there are 3 triangles. So this is going to be the correct answer. This is the very simple approach that you have to go with. Okay, and now this is a question. Okay, these kind of questions, if you feel that these kinds of questions takes time, but I have a very short trick to solve this kind of questions. How we can solve these kind of questions? Let's see. An electrician can complete a repair in 3.5 hours, right? His experience's colleague takes 4 hours compared to the repair. If you are going to solve in a very conventional method, this is going to take a lot of time. Simply do one. A. Okay. A. How you are going to solve? 10 by 35. That is going to be 2 by 7. That is going to be 2 by 7 into, simply multiply with the how many hours is given. How many hours is given? There are 56 hours is given. Okay, that is 16 hours out there, right? It is going to be, A is going to be taken 60 hours. Okay, now go with the B. Okay, B, how many hours? 56 hours. Okay, what is the time? If you look at the 4 hours, right? So yeah, 56 divided by 4. Okay, that is going to be 14 hours. Simply add both of them, it will become 30 hours. Yeah, 30 is the correct answer for this question. Okay, if you look at the option, there will be 30, right? So you don't have the time to calculate for each and every one. You can't go with this kind of approach. Simply, if there is a, go with this kind of approach, right? 10 by 35, 2 by 7, 8 to 8, 16. B, 15 by 4, 14 only. Add them, you will get 30. Okay, 16 and 40 will 30. This is the approach, right? Why I am doing this? Let me tell you. See, now you will ask that why you have did it, right? See, the very basic approach why I have did it. I will tell you. See, if you look at the question, an electrician can complete a repair. One repair takes how many hours? 3.5 hours. Or I can say that in 1 hour he can repair how much? 1 by 3.5. Simply, in 1 hour, how many repair he can done? 1 by 3.5. Again, if I put this point above, it will become 10 by 35. Okay, then you can simply say it like it is 2 by 7. How? By cutting it by 5. Okay. And how much work B can repair, right, in 1 hour? So if he takes 4 hours, simply by the same process, he will take in 1 hour, he will be doing 1 by 4. Okay. So now for the 56 hour, both of them have worked. Multiply by 56 equal to what? 16. Multiply by 56 equal to what? 14. 16 plus 14 becomes 30. That is the correct answer. So this simple basic approach, what I'm telling you, you don't have that much time to go with this kind of approach. Simply, if it is written 3.5, go in mind 10 by 35, 2 by 7, 7 8 ja 56, 8 2 ja 16. Okay, so for A it is 16. Another one is taking 4 hours. 56 divided by 4. Okay, that is going to be 14. 16 and 13, that is going to be 30. This should be done in your mind. That's how you are going to crack this examination. If you really like this video, I will keep updating you with kind of short tricks. If you really like this video, please subscribe this channel. This is very new channel, and if you really love the way that I'm teaching you, and if you wanted to add some kind of any other approach, please let me know. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone.